Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about 5 epic ways to make money with cryptocurrency. If you are still struggling to make money, or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that is making a lot of noise these days. It can be thought of as a kind of digital coin or token. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and other coins are the ones that have the most value in this currency. Every day we hear about a lot of people who are making a lot of money with cryptocurrency. Investing in crypto is a good idea without a doubt. But if you don't know much about how cryptocurrency is backed by blockchain technology, it can make you really cry. Find out the best 5 ways to make money with cryptocurrency in this video. 1. Trading. Trading is one of the best ways to make money with cryptocurrency. First and foremost, you should know that the cryptocurrency market is very volatile. In simple terms, the prices of assets can go up or down a lot in a short amount of time. Buy the dips and sell the peaks is a strategy you can use, just like in forex trading. Compared to forex trading, crypto trading is not as risky. If you keep an eye on the charts for cryptocurrencies, you can buy coins when their prices are low and sell them when their prices are high, making more money. 2. Mining. Mining cryptocurrency is a different process that is different from trading. It is the oldest way to use cryptocurrency to make money. The value of crypto is made by this method. Mining takes a lot of time and requires some important technical skills. To mine, you need a lot of resources and special tools. When you mine a cryptocurrency, the cryptocurrency network will give you rewards that will blow your mind. Later, you can turn that currency into money based on its market value and send it to your bank. 3. HODL. HODL is for you if you want an easy way to make money. In this method, stalkers buy the valuable coins they like the most. They also keep the assets for a long time so they can make a huge profit. For example, if you buy a house of gold and sell it a few years later, you'll make a big profit. If you want to trade for the long term, just buy and hold. When you see huge profit margins in the prices of cryptocurrencies, after a few months or years, pull out your money in millions. You can now live like a millionaire. 4. Staking. If you want to avoid even a small risk, staking cryptocurrency is the way to go. Another popular way to make money with cryptocurrency is by staking. Investors collect capital from the cryptocurrency market through staking in order to improve their ranking. They offer crypto holders the chance to lend as coins for a certain amount of time and get benefits and dividends in return. In this way, you can own crypto but not spend it. You make money by putting it in the stake dome. 5. Saving. If you don't want to trade, hold, or stake, you can use a savings account instead. Instead of holding onto your cryptocurrency, put it in a savings account and make money. Many cryptocurrency apps around the world grew a lot in 2021. Sites like blockchain.com and binance.com offer apps for saving money. The safest way to keep money and earn interest is in a savings account. It is just like banking, but it is not based in one place. Investing in cryptocurrency can be done in many ways, such as trading, holding, saving, staking, and mining. But you can't make money right away with cryptocurrency. Stay up to date on the latest technology, learn from people who are good at it, and be patient. Because being patient will pay off big time. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.